Here in blending, Tabasco pepper mash undergoes the final steps to becoming Tabasco sauce. The mash is drained, and the liquid is mixed with high-quality distilled vinegar and stirred intermittently in large wooden vats for 2 to 3 weeks. The result is Tabasco Original Red Pepper Sauce. But it isn't ready for bottling just yet. After skins and seeds are removed, sauce samples are sent to the lab, where our highly trained specialists test them for qualities such as consistency, color, and heat. Once the sauce passes these tests, it is finally sent to the factory floor to be bottled. There, automated bottling lines take over, filling, capping, labeling, and packing hundreds of bottles every minute. To guarantee packaging is perfect, digital cameras inspect each bottle of Tabasco sauce in only a fraction of a second. Still, it takes dedicated and diligent people to make sure the entire process runs smoothly. In fact, a McElhenney Company employee always personally inspects the finished product, and a trained sensory panel regularly taste tests the sauce to ensure high quality. Finally, cartons of Tabasco sauce are boxed and stacked on pallets, ready to ship all around the globe. This time-honored craft, spanning nearly 5 years from seed to sauce, ensures Tabasco sauce's unique flavor is recognized worldwide.